Okay, so I want to show you how to change the fonts because I forgot to do it in the other video. So you're going to go ahead and select the font that you want. So we're going to click here at the center, at the bottom. And this is through the app. So once you download the template on the desktop, you can make adjustments with the app. So I'm going to go to font styles. And again, if you have the free account, you'll have a lot of options. If you want a specific pro account, you'll have to pay for it and you'll see the little crown. Anything that's for the pro account will always have a crown. So let's go with Montserrat, and then I'm gonna resize it here at the bottom. So here it says font size. I actually have to select that again. You can either enter the size or just size it as whatever's easiest. And now I'm just centering it, and then it'll ask you if you want to change the fonts for everything. So let me try another one. Let's see. So selecting salon font. Let's just try this one here. I don't know how to pronounce it. And then here you could see it says change all. And if you select it, it's going to change everything. So I'm going to do it, but it's going to change the text for all the other. Actually, let's see, because I think when you're on the main template that you're working on, it will change everything. But in this case, it should only change this highlight title page. So let's try it. So there you go. And then you would have to resize everything. Let's see if it changed the rest, which I don't think it has. Or did it? Oh, okay, yeah, so it did. I don't know why sometimes it doesn't work, but there you go. So it changes everything. I'm going to go back with the arrow button. Let's try it again. Arrow going forward. So as you could see, it's updated everything. But then, of course, you'd have to resize everything, which is a bit of a pain in the butt. But that's the options that you have. So I'm going to go back, arrow back, undo. And there you go. That's how you update or edit the font. And let me know if you have any questions. And again, my name is Amada, and thank you so much for your purchase.